Hello, friends. So it's around 7 a.m. I'm walking, and so when I wake up today, I open the book called Creative Act and I just start reading. So I don't know what I read, but I read the word seed, like the chapter's name was Seed. And from that, I remember a story that I like to say. So the story was an incident in my childhood when I was around, I don't know what age, but I still remember that. So I think you all know what CFL lights are. CFL lights were there like a rotating tubes, light tube lights. Like there's a bulb with, you know, like UU shaped tube lights. So I found a broken piece of that light, that glass, which looks like a J, and it was small, clean, very perfectly broken piece. And so I thought, what if I put, some battery inside it, and light, like this was like this J light here, and it will be a very nice, cute, small table lamp, could be. So I started working on that, and I like put an LED, a wire, and some batteries inside it. And I am trying to do this and that, and it was very small, so very hard to manage things, putting everything in that. And during that process, what happens is that glass piece get broken, and so I decided to remove it because it's now broken. But I have all the parts. Then I made a proper light lamp. But when I look at that light lamp, like after it's get finished, I it felt like that the broken piece of that glass, like that piece, उसका जो मतलब soul है, like it was uh, it was still there in the lamp. So even that part is not there, but something is there, like something soul, like it's the I can still feel that. So that was not a big creation of a light lamp, but the seed of that creation was that glass, that broken piece of glass, which was not a part of the final creation. So uh, so it so what is this thing, what is that thing which is there? uh, we can call it soul, and it reminds me the thing that people say ki even uh, you may be dead one day, but your soul will not. And it is like the piece was broken, but the soul remains in the form, in different form. And ah but yeah, that was a nice incident.